So the bulls hit the market really hard last night. They came out fast and furious, pushing the market up on light volume on a Sunday night session, and the momentum carried through the entire session. Our strategies did well, starting with E-mini S&P Night Trader, capturing it, hitting its $700 profit target. Rather small in this market, but a very consistent strategy. Nice winner in Night Trader. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P plus 26.25 on the day. And a gap up like that, you might have the tendency to give up, but with resistance up above, the market wanted to push through that, and the bulls wanted to come out and try to take a stand and try to take this market back. They're trying to cause this V bottom here to be a reality. Still a long ways to go, and not so sure they can pull it off, but today was a good day on the long side as we enjoyed riding along with the bulls today. Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq plus 43.70. You can see that the uptrends are much smoother than the downtrends, and you see this big long trade here, this long trade here, while on the short side it's just choppy, hard to. There's been less follow through on the short side and more follow through on the long side. And so nice day. Don't discount a big gap up as a day being over. Lots of good trading left. Adaptive moving average plus 2,500 on the day. 60-minute breakout plus 875 right now. Hit its profit target, got back in again, and gap continuation 2020 plus 1475. Stock index swing plus 475. That's the all the trades in this workspace were winners today. Let's look at all strategy access 2. Tick Pulse NQV12 plus 4,000. We recently took that out of the portfolio because it was so choppy, but now the trends are smooth, so we wanted to cut back on risk. AT 2019 3,500 plus 5420 on AT 2020 NQ. These are some of my least favorite strategies that did really well today. 60-minute breakout NQ plus 600 on the day. That one was also taken out of the portfolio. One of the new strategies, tick count trend NQ plus 1725. Spaced out some nice trades to buy the dip on the E-mini Nasdaq, capturing those moves higher. Good day overall, and the stock indexes really, they're all winners. So sometimes we have all losers, and sometimes we have a mix. And today was a really nice day where we were able to capture all these strategies, captured winners on the day. Gap continuation did have the losing trade. That's not gap continuation. It did have its first trade was a loser, but overall it was profitable on the day. So the first trade was a loser. When I say profitable, I'm talking about the strategy as a whole on the day, not every single trade. And so all strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4, right around break even. Asia Gold 4 plus 1475. The long and the short did well on Asia Gold. The short side was plus 975, while the long was plus 1475. Big range in gold. These ranges in gold are unprecedented and interesting, to say the least. All strategy access 4. Crude oil was a tough one on the day, minus 725 in both the conservative and aggressive Cobra crudes, and then minus 825 on the SR counter trend crudes, and so tough trading on those today. Asia Gold 4, 2020 plus 1475, Cobra Gold plus 575, all gold trades did well on the day. All strategy access 5, no trades on the day. Looking at our old strategies, gap continuation 2019 plus 1150. Had a couple of losses in here before getting in on the winner. AT 2019 plus 3350, tick pullback plus 3400. This is just one of those strategies that just doesn't give up. It'll have lots of small losers, and then it won't give up. The NQ version was stopped out twice, but the ES version was stopped out once and then didn't stay long. And the All Strategy Access Old 2 plus 3575 on AT 2020 ESB, plus 2500 on Tick Pulse V12. Tick count trend NQ plus 2250 and Gold Flash 1350. ES after hours will trade next. So sending this out to you again. Once again this afternoon, it's a new strategy with a great back test going back to 2001. Trades, it's accelerating in this volatility. So if you have the All Strategy Access portfolio, you're going to have the benefit of having this strategy that you can add to your setup. So today was one of the best days we've had in a while, with all the winners in gold and all the strategies winning in stock indexes in gold, while crude oil was the tough and most difficult strategy on the So how does this affect the 25 50K portfolio? Plus 4,300 on E-mini Nasdaq, Cobra 3, plus 1475 on gap continuation 2020. So a lot of extra slippage here at the end of the day. So, you know, plus 5,400 on these two strategies roughly after the slippage. And then you had the crude oil strategies that weighed it down a little bit, 1,500. So, you know, you're up about, what, 4,000, almost 4,000 on the day on, well, no, you have Night Trader too. So up really nice day on the 25K portfolio because you have plus 700 here, minus 725 there. Those cancel each other out pretty closely. And then plus about 5,400 on these two strategies, minus 800. So up 4,600. If you're up $4,600 on the 25K portfolio, that's really good. You know, we've talked about how this requires a little more margin now. You need more like 50K to trade this setup now. Today you would have had Night Trader traded alone and then it exited before these other strategies entered. So you would have had two NQ strategies and two crude oil strategies at the same time. So you only saw 4 strategies at the same time in the portfolio taking trades, and so not all 10. So that is the update today on the all strategy access strategies as well as the 25K portfolio that continues to make equity peaks.